Hi everyone, it's Angelina, the GPS tracking lady. I get a lot of people tell me, you know what, Angelina, we really can't afford to do business with you on your hours of service ELD system. But let me tell you, I'm finding that companies really can't afford not to do business with me because our ELD system is 100% glitch free. When you have a problem with your ELD HOS system, how much time are you spending sending emails, waiting for the response back on that email? How much time are you spending on the phone with customer support if they pick up the phone? How much time are you spending the driver sitting on the side of the road? He can't seem to get off duty. There's a cost to that time. If you got a system that's guaranteed to work, 100% guaranteed glitch free, the price you spend with us, you've saved that over all the headaches and frustrations and time you lost with your ELD system down and management and office staff trying to get it back up. I'm the GPS lady. Or rlfleet.com. Check us out on the internet. Our website is rlfleet.com.